Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to make a isometric tile and make a beautiful isometric tile map with it. So let's get started. So first what we are going to do is create a new Aseprite project, and the new sprite width will be 32 pixel and height will be 32 pixel. By that just click OK, and we have a sprite. So first we are going to select the line tool and make a basic diamond shape, and it will be by 2 by 2 pixel, something like this, and this over here also, and here. Now just copy this and paste it something like this. After that make the line to connect this, and we got our cube already. After that make one line here and one line here, something like this, and just fill one side with the darker tone, and another side with a lighter tone. As you can see, we already got a beautiful tile. After that just fill it with this, and we can also do one thing, something like this, and it's kind of like making Minecraft block, but it's not wholly like that. And now we got a beautiful block. Let's just save it as a PNG over here, export, and now we have to open our tilemap editor. Make a new tile set first and name it whatever you want. After that browse your tile set file, your PNG, and save it wherever you want. After that select this tile, and you can see a new icon here. Click this, make a new map. The orientation of this will be isometric, and the the width will be the same as your tile map, but the height will be 16 pixel because it will be the half of it. And just save as wherever you want it to be, zoom it, and you can see, select this, and you can see we are already making a beautiful tile map. Thank you everyone for watching this, and please subscribe to my channel. I will make a tutorial on how to export this tile set to Godot. Till then, bye bye.